So I have this interesting listing here in North Hyde Park. It's now priced at $439,900. It's actually zoned for 2 townhomes. It's more of a, I think, a tear down. Could build 2 brand new townhomes here. Excellent schools. This at one time was the front porch, and they enclosed it. Washer and dryer can go in this closet really deep. This has fireplace. It's one of those old bungalows. Probably hardwood floors underneath this carpeting. Living room, dining area. It's one of the bedrooms. A decent bathroom. Tub shower. Second bedroom. Then there's this like third room. This could make a huge closet, could make a great den, a little office or something. Let's check out big dining area, huge eating kitchen. And it's got a big backyard.